I did some videos recently on the PC or Mac in Google Chrome showing how options for how to get rid of the AI overview, which a lot of people just don't appreciate. And I'm right there with you. More often than not, I'm not looking for the AI overview. I'm looking for some very clear data. And generally, I want to get it from a web page, not from Gemini. In Google Chrome on the mobile app, which I'm showing right here, there is no way, if I go to the three dots and I slide across and I hit settings and I go, there it is, search engine. While it's there, click on that. It only gives me the ability to choose one of the 5 search engines in the list. It does not give me the ability to create my own custom search engine string. So therefore, in the Chrome app on a mobile device, the best option that I have to offer is when you do a search for French turtle doves and the AI overview comes up, the only thing to do is immediately click on one of the other options, including web. Because when you click on web, it turns off the AI overview. And by the way, that's the same functionality in Google Chrome on a PC or a Mac as well. And I looked. I can find no method or click box or checkbox or whatever that disables the AI overview by default. Again, the only option is to slide over and click on web. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail. I wish I had a better answer on the mobile app, but this is the best answer I have today.